This vocab question is even easier than the last one because in this sentence we're going to have a really convenient matching word. They like to do this where the sentence kind of repeats itself and we see what we're supposed to be going for based on the structure of the sentence. So let me show you what I mean. If we go to here, it says, and listen to this, and I heard a sound as clean, that's the word we're looking for, and pure as a small silver bell. Clean and pure. There's a clear parallel here. These words have similar meanings, and so when we're trying to define the word clean, we should probably have the word pure in our minds, right? They're giving it to us on a silver platter here. So let's take a look. What kind of matches with pure? Well, complete doesn't, skillful doesn't, distinct, upright kind of does, to be quite honest. But it's weird to talk about a sound being upright, right? Like a person's morals can be upright. And so here's a case where I'll be like, all right, that doesn't seem quite right. What are they talking about here? They're talking about a bell, right? A sound. And so the thing that kind of matches is distinct, right? So if it's pure, it's not like muddied by anything else. It's its own thing. It's distinct. It's different. It's something that you can hear separately from everything else that's going on, right? So distinct is the right word. I don't know that it's a perfect synonym for pure because when I think of pure, I think of like something being, clean, being morally pure, things like that. I don't think of a sound, but it is a word in context question, so the context helps. And I think when I think of a sound being pure, suddenly I'm like, okay, like it's a thing I can hear. It's not all like mixed in with other things. Now I'm making more sense of these words. And so I do think that the sentence helps me here, but I also think that we need to understand the context and kind of go with what the situation calls for. Not just what clean normally means or what pure normally means, but what together they both mean in the context of a ringing bell. And that gets us a distinct sound that we can pick out. A little weird, but this process is really helpful for being able to sort through the trap answers and better understand what we're reading, so I highly recommend going to the lines first and making sure you come up with your own guess for what's going on before you look at those choices so that you aren't biased.